Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a summery eyeshadow look featuring the new Natasha Denona Yucca palette. I am loving this palette so far. From my understanding, it's named after a plant here in California, and when looking at this color story, I really think of like a California desert. It's such a unique color story. I'm so excited to have it. I'm still getting my full thoughts on the palette, but so far everything's good, so stay tuned for my Makeup Monthly, which will be up in about a week, for more thoughts. But anyway, I just thought I'd create this look for you guys, and if you like it, let me know. I can create more looks featuring this palette, or really any palette that you'd want to see featured on this channel. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Gerard Cosmetics, just their eyeshadow base. Just need the slightest bit of this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Ciate London Everyday Vacay powder. Just on a brush like this, just to give myself a nice smooth base for the eyeshadows. With the Natasha Denona Yucca palette, I'm going to go ahead and start my eyeshadow. I'm going to kind of work with this row right here, but I'm going to start in with the shade Tipu on a brush, and I'm going to place that right in my crease. Just blend that out really, really well. After that, I'm going to take a smaller brush, going in with the shade, it's called Flax. And I'm just really going to smoke that out, blend it in. I probably got way too much, but that's okay. I can take it and blend it out. And I'm actually going to go back into that first shade there. Really just focus on that blend. And even going back in with that first shade, just tapping a little bit off on, just topping the excess off, and then going in like that. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush, go in with the shade Plantasia, and I'm actually going to start on the inner lid and working my way over. Normally I'd like to go this way, go from right to left or outer to inner, but I actually want to go inner to outer. I did this look the other day and I absolutely fell in love with the way I did it. I love the way this look turned out. And I'm just going to go in with a couple of layers. You can spray your brush if you need to. You can layer it up if you need to. But overall, I love the way it looks. And then I'm going to go in on the other side of that brush, take the shade Machaela, and pop that on the center. And I just love how that gives that gradient from green to gold. And then just going back in with that shade Plantasia and just kind of working the blend together until I am happy with it. And then just taking a flat brush here, just a small brush for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the shade Flax and then just kind of use most of the pigment on the outer corner and then just kind of drag it in just a little bit. Going back in with Tipu on that brush. I just like to use the same brush for the lower lash line because it just gives a nice blend. And then just kind of smoking it all out. And then going back in with the shade Plantasia, just as my inner, going back in with the shade Plantasia, just as my inner corner highlight. And then of course just going back in and blending out as needed, smoking out. And I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup, catch the other eye up off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. The rest of my makeup is on, my hair is done, my outfit is on. I'll go ahead and show you that in a second, but this look is definitely more of like your summer kind of glam look. I mean, me personally, I wear a look like this every day. I literally went to an OB appointment today and I had this full look on, so that's just kind of my personal style, but definitely something that is more of like a day out. Maybe you're going on a date with your husband, maybe you're going to a pool party or the beach or something. Definitely summer. It definitely feels more like a summer to fall transitional look for me personally, but again, I would wear it anywhere. But let's go ahead and do an outfit real quick. The time I am actually filming this, I'm 24 weeks pregnant. Shirt is not maternity, it's just something I had. I don't remember where I bought it. I bought it for years, but it's just kind of a basic like white shirt with some birds all over it. It's got a bow here. If I wanted to tie it up to emphasize the bump more, I could, and I almost did today, but I decided not to, and I'm just wearing some shorts. Like I said, very casual day, but this does have some yellow on it to kind of emphasize that kind of yellowy green look, or not really yellow, but like kind of that yellow greenish look that I feel like incorporates some of the eye look, especially in like the birds. I don't know if they're going to pick up on camera, but there is some yellow going on with the birds. So I thought that would go really well to kind of bring out the colors in the eyes a little bit. It's a super comfy outfit. Again, I've had the shirt for years. It's just, it works being pregnant, but it's not really a bump friendly shirt if you're trying to emphasize the pregnant bump. But that's okay. I'm just glad that I have a shirt that fits. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty, as well as my love for my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And I'm currently pregnant, so if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.